Hey, we finally got our first air cut going on. Not a haircut, but an air cut, and it's making music. Here's what we're making. This is a test file from the, name is crap called? V-Carve.
V-Carve!
I'm sorry, I'm so brain dead trying to get this crap working. V-Carve. So it gave us a test file. So there it is, a little airplane airfoil thing. And I guess it already went through its program?
Yeah, we'll do it again.
We'll do it again. Okay, let's do it again. Here
Ready?
we go. Go ahead.
Here we go.
Okay. So we got our piece of wood mounted. Machine's zeroed out. You like that? I like the music it plays. And we're done. Huh? What do you think? Look at that. Does that look good or what? All right. We'll be right back. Maybe we'll throw a bit in it this time. All right, we ready?
Glasses on?
Safety glasses. Who the hell wears safety glasses? All right, I'm going to turn the gizmo on there, the thing. I think we zeroed everything out over there. We ran our G-code, 2 air tests, and we zeroed out. Okay, so shut up and turn it on.
Turn it on. Here we
All
go.
right. Hit play, baby. See, it lifted up. And there we have our first cut. How, Miss Anderson? You happy?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. There we go. All right. There it is. The Millright Mega V XXL.
XXL.
Okay. And that's our very first cut right there. All
No
right.
broken bits.
0 broken bits. We followed just about every piece of instructions from Garrett from
IDC Woodcraft.
That's right. So if you have any questions, see Garrett. He will help you out. He is awesome. Not saying anybody else isn't. It's just he is a true teacher and the kind of guy that you want to get your starting information from because he specializes with numbnuts like us. Me. How about me? All right, that's it for now. Thumbs up. You like it. Something different. And I might be building boats with this thing. Later. Bye.